Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you're looking for a great essential oil that is going to be helpful for whenever you're trying to go to sleep and you want to tone it down, calm yourself a little bit, and it's already scientifically proven that lavender is a feeling that when you smell it before going to sleep, it just calms you down, and this is my experience too. So one of the things that I like about this Young Living Lavender Essential Oil is the soothing feeling that you will get. I would use this for my air diffuser several times. And when I want to mix it or just to put a couple of drops into the lavender oil, it just works great for soothing, helping me sleep easier. It just feels great. And it's even shown that whenever you're trying to soothe your throat, just a couple of drops of lavender oil in your throat, it just feels great. And it's going to be helping your actually it could be helpful for your own health of your throat, feeling soothed, feeling nice. If you have to speak a lot like me in your job, it could be a good help. So this was John with WTI. That was my point of view.